Alrighty guys, so we're doing a quick video today. We talked on a prior video about VanLeigh, them closing and still getting parts. So we had an unfortunate incident to where we had our sink covers, and I believe it was down in Louisiana or Kentucky, one of those two. Really bad roads we went across, sink covers came up and they marred our floor, which I'll show you here in a second. But we called VanLeigh, we gave them our VIN number, and this is the box they sent. So we went ahead and we ordered, we have 3 damaged tiles, but we ordered 6 because we figured down the road we would like to have extras just in case. They weren't bad, they were almost $8 a piece. And so we're just opening it. We're going to kind of show you what's in this box. What's in the box? So my arch nemesis is in here.
He hates styrofoam.
I despise styrofoam. Actually, styrofoam and cardboard are the absolute worst. So I'm really beginning to think that maybe Beth had a fun conversation with somebody at VanLeigh and said, hey, just send him a box of cardboard. He'll love it. Okay, so we opened it up, and I'll have, well, I guess you guys can kind of see that they're all face down, and there you go. So it's vinyl planking. This is what our floors are throughout the whole unit, and so we have 3 of them to replace. 2 will be kind of a pain in the tushy because they are underneath the island, and we'll do a separate video on that. Basically what I'll do is I'll lift up the island. Now these are used with a glue adhesive down, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and pry these up and see if I can't reactivate the glue, and we'll go into that on another video. Keep your eyes out for that one. It'll probably be a little bit before we get into that. But what I did want to do is show you just how well that they package things. So they went face to face and back to back, and there are 6 of them in here, and styrofoam them up. So this is fantastic. They'll store really nice. I'll actually pull them out of there, and we'll put them in the closet for the time being, so we don't need all this space. But I was really curious on how they were going to send it. I was just assuming that it would have been in cardboard, but the way that shipping is nowadays, it was really good to see that they put it in 1x2s, 1x4s, and yeah, I couldn't be happier with it. So you can still get really good quality from VanLeigh, even though they're going out of business. But I just wanted to share that little tidbit, and that's all I got for this week. Alrighty guys, see you later. Bye-bye.